Hi everyone, it's Website Guide once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a coming soon or a maintenance page on your WordPress website using the Elementor plugin, and it's absolutely for free. So to do this, go to your dashboard, and the first thing we are going to do right here is that we are going to install the Elementor plugin. So to do that, go to your plugins and click on add new. So we are going to search for the Elementor right here. Okay, so you get the first one with this logo, the Elementor plugin. This is it. So click install now. And click activate. So we're gonna click this icon right here. We don't need to set this up now. You can do it later. So so after that, go to Elementor, click on it. And click on tools right here. So we see this maintenance mode, click on it, and we are going to enable it. But before we enable it, we are going to create a template for it. You can see this. So let us create a template. So click here. So let us name this template. You can name it anything. Just write maintenance mode. And let me publish it. Then edit with Elementor. So this is how it's gonna look like. So we are going to hide this title and this heading. So click on this settings icon right here, and we are going to hide the title, and we are going to set this page layout to Elementor canvas. So all right, we have set it to the Elementor canvas. You can see that the title and the header has disappeared. Now let us start building our templates from scratch. But don't worry, at the end of this video I'm going to provide you the link to download this particular template, and also I will show you how to install it. So the first thing I'm going to do right here is to add a background. So let me add a new section. Click this plus and click here. So let me change this to the height, let me change it to fit to screen. And the width should be full width. So let us add the background picture. If you want to add a background picture, that one is quite easy. You can just go to pixels.com. And you can search for any background that you want, depending on the kind of website that you are building. For example, if you are working on a business website, then you can use a business. Or if you are working on a photography website, then you can use a photography background, a photography picture. So for example, let me say this is a business website, and let me just search for business, something like a business meeting. So you can see there are many backgrounds that you can use. So let me choose this, and I'm gonna download it. You can choose any size that you want, but I prefer this medium. Download selected size. Okay, so now that we've downloaded it, go back to your website and click on style. Then you will see background. So background type, click on classic, and you see the image where you can add the image. Click on it and select your image. So you're going to see it here. Click the picture we just downloaded and upload. All right, so you can change the title to business. That's all. And the alt text. So click on insert media. All right, you can see, and you can change your image size if you want it to be a small size, but we are going to use the full size. All right, so also the position, you can select any position, whether you want it to be centered or center left. You can choose anyone that you want to use. You can see how it keeps changing. So I think I like this bottom center. And the attachment, you can put it to scroll or fixed. So for scroll, it is the same thing as the default one, but for fixed, you can see how it looks like. Anytime you scroll, it's gonna be like this, unlike the default one. You can see. So repeat, you can choose to repeat. Let me choose no repeat. Then the space size, you can use automatic, cover, or contain, or a custom size. You can set a custom size. So let me just choose the cover. Okay, then the background overlay, I'm just gonna use a dark overlay here so that the text can be visible enough. And I'm gonna use some other colors, maybe white and one other color as my text. So you can see how it looks like. You can also work on the opacity too, either increase or reduce it. So I think it's pretty good like this. Okay, so click here to go back. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to add our logo. So drag this image right here, drag it here, and choose image. So you can choose your logo, select files. Let me try to check for any kind of logo. Let me choose this. And click on insert media. You can see that this is very, very big. We are going to reduce the size. Click this image size and reduce it. Or instead of reducing it from here, you can do it under styles. So click on the full and go to style. You can see the width, image width. So let me try to, I think this is okay. So I increase the width to 14. So I think this is okay. You can also increase it more. Okay, I think this is better like this. So let me write a text here. Write text. So drag this, paste it here. So let me write our website is. So you can see that the text is barely visible. Click on style and change the text color. You can see the text color right here. You can also change the typography. So click here, increase the size here, and the fonts. You can also check for any font that you want. So let me use this, or I can choose anyone else. So I choose this. Let me align it to the center. click here, and let me increase this text again. Okay. Now let me add another text that says coming soon. So you can write anything, whether our website is coming soon or our website is under maintenance on, or you can add any custom text that you want. So let me work on this one also. Change the color to anyone. Let me change this color to another color instead of white. Let me use another color. Can just check around for any color that works best. So I can use this, and let me come back to this coming soon. Let me increase the size and align it to the center. Then let me make it a little bold. Make this weight, and let me set it to bold. Alright, you can see. Now if you notice, you will see that the space between these two are quite much. Now to work on this, let me click on this right here and scroll down to line height. So let me set it to 0. You can see that it's reduced. Let me set this on to 0. Typography, line height, and type 0. Okay, so this is how your website is going to look. There are still more spaces here, so we are going to work on that. And let me increase the opacity here a little bit. Background overlay. Okay, I think this is more better. Let me make these two to be more closer to each other, these two texts. Now I clicked on this coming soon, and I'm going to work on the margin. So this top, let me reduce it, this top margin, so you can see. So let me check again. Okay, so this is quite okay. And the next thing is that we are going to add a line here. We call it divider. So click on it, drag it here. Let me change the color to white. You can see. So, and also you can add to the weight of it, and the gap is too much, so let me reduce the gap. Check. Then I want to reduce the width of this line. I'm going to reduce it and align it to the center. All right, so let us add your social media handles in case you want to search your social media handles. So search for social. Yeah, you can see social icons, so drag it here. All right, you can add Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or any other item. Just choose the icon. For example, we want to add LinkedIn, so just search for LinkedIn icon here and select. Click on insert and write the name. So you can add anyone to any other one that you want to add. So you can change the shape to be that square or circle. I think I love the circle. So you can see how it looks like. it looks really cool. Now if you want to add your URL to this, just you can click on any of them. Facebook, paste your link here. Twitter, your profile link here. YouTube, your channel link here. LinkedIn, your profile link here. So and then click on updates. Okay, so now that you have set it up, and I'm going to, like I said earlier, I'm going to save this as a template and upload it so you can download it. I'll paste the link in the description below for you to be able to download it. So let me show you how you can add the templates. So this is how you can add the templates. Let's say this is the empty page. Now click here. You see our template, then click here, import template. So you're going to select the file from your download folder, and this is it. So click on it and click enable and import. All right, so I guess this is it. So click on insert and apply. So we are going to see that our website is ready. So this is it, and then click updates. Now that you have added the template, so go back to tools and refresh this page. So after refreshing this page, click choose mode and can set it to anyone. Commission maintenance. Let me use maintenance, and you can choose templates. So click here and save changes. You can see maintenance mode on. So let me open this website in a private tab. So this is what your visitors are going to get. Our website is coming soon. You can add any other text that you want to add. So thanks for watching this YouTube video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.